Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your Google Search Console data for USA SEO, full guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Google Search Console website. Log into your Google Search Console account using your Google credentials. Select the property you want to back up from the list in your account. Once you're in the property dashboard, look for the Performance tab on the left sidebar. Click on the Performance tab to access detailed data about your site's performance in Google Search. Choose the date range for which you want to collect data. You can do this by clicking on the Date Range selector at the top of the performance report. Adjust the dates as needed and then click Apply to refresh the data. Scroll down to view key metrics such as total clicks, total impressions, average CTR, and average position.
To export this data, locate the Export button, usually represented by a downward arrow. Click on the Export button and choose your preferred file format, such as CSV or Google Sheets. If you're opting for Google Sheets, select that option to open the data in a new Google Sheets document. Once the data is in Google Sheets, make sure to save the document to your Google Drive for easier access. For CSV, the file will automatically download to your local computer.
Next, navigate to the Index section in the left sidebar. Click on Coverage to see details related to indexing issues. Repeat the export process for the coverage report by clicking on the Export button and selecting your desired format. Go back to the Enhancements section in the left sidebar. From here, review the core Web Vitals and mobile usability reports. Should you need this data, export it in the same manner as before. Now let's move on to the Links section from the left sidebar. This section provides information about external and internal links affecting your site. Export this data as well to ensure you have a complete backup of your SEO metrics. With all data exported, organize your files into a designated folder on your computer or Google Drive. This will allow for easier reference and reviewing in the future. Finally, consider creating a backup schedule to regularly export your Google Search Console data. This will help you keep your SEO performance metrics up to date and easily accessible for analysis. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.